Welcome to DevTech Minds. This is the 13th video of 30 days of pandas and we are solving rank scores. So this is what the problem statement is. Firstly, let's have a look at the table that we have. The name of the table is scores. It contains two different columns, ID and score. ID is an integer type, score is a decimal, and score is a score of games and it is a floating point with two decimal places. So this is the data that we have. This is the simple table that we have. If you want an example, this is how the table looks like. We got different IDs and different scores of the games. Now the problem is write a solution to find the rank of these scores. This is the simple question that they are asking. They just want us to rank these scores. Now the way they want us to rank is given here. The rules are given here. The score should be ranked from highest to lowest. So we want that in the descending order, not the ascending order. The next is that if there is a tie, then both should have the same ranking. This is how the rank method works. I will show you the rank method as well, the rank method of pandas. We will discuss that and we are going to use that here in this problem. Now the important point is here, if there is a tie, the number should be next consecutive integer value. So the ranking number should be next consecutive integer value, which means if I can show you that, you can see that there is a table. We got ID and scores, and if you notice that ID2 and ID6 got similar scores, so they should be ranked same. Similarly, ID3 and ID5 got similar scores, they should be ranked same as well. Now there are various ways using which we can identify the rank. I will show you the rank method of pandas and then you will understand that why this point makes sense. So let's go to the documentation of pandas, and here you see that we got pandas rank method. And here you can see that we got different methods in this rank function. We got average, we got min, we got max, we got first, and we got tens. The default value is average. So if you do not use anything, if you simply use rank, so dataframe.rank, it will give you the average rank. But if you provide any method like minimum, maximum, first, or tens, then it will give you a different result. So what will be that different result? Now we got examples of default, which is the average rank, max rank, and we got others example as well, like NA bottom and PCT rank. Now let's discuss default and max. You can see that we have few animals and the number of legs they have. This is the example data that they have, and you can see cat and dogs have similar number of legs. They should be ranked similar. And in the default rank with the averages, you can see that there is no rank 2 or rank 3. Both of them 0.5. Now the next rank, you can see that there is no 3, there is no 2, there is 4 directly. Similarly, in the max rank, you can see there is no 2, there is 1, and then there is 3. So the maximum out of the rank that is being tied, let's say for example, if there are 3 animals, let's say there is a horse as well, which got same 4 legs. So horse, cat, and dog both will be ranked 4 instead of 3, because here you can see only 2 are getting tied. So rank 2 and rank 3, that is what is getting tied. So the maximum, which is 3, is given to both of them, and 2 is not present. Now if there are 3 animals, then rank 4 will be given to all of them, which is all 3 of them, and there will be no rank 2 and no rank 3. Now let's talk about the dense rank. In the dense rank, it works like a min rank. So in min rank, it will be simply like minimum number will be given. So instead of 3, 2 will be given to both of them. So dense rank works like min rank. So if I go here, you can see that dense rank is like min rank, but always increase by 1 between the group, which means if 2 is given to both of them, the next rank will be 3. So instead of 4 to the spider, the rank will be 3 for the spider. And if I put in horse in the example as well, so horse, cat, and dog both will be given rank 2. The next rank will once again be 3, not 5, not 4, but 3, because it increased with consecutive integers. That's how the dense rank work, and that is what the problem is asking. They want the next rank to be consecutive integer. So I hope you understand how this dense rank is working, and that is what we're going to use here in this problem. So I'll simply create a column. Obviously we have to create a column, because if I look at the output, you can see that we are getting 2 columns in the output, the score and the rank. So ID is not there, we have to remove it, and we have to create a rank column. So scores, and then we got to create rank. This is what we're going to create, and we're going to create it from scores and from the score. Now we want to rank the score, and in the rank obviously we need to provide the method is dense. Now dense rank by default is in ascending order. We do not want it in the ascending order, so I will use ascending equals false. I do not want it. Now, so this is done, the ranking is done, the rank column will be created. So if I just run and execute the scores in the output, let's see what output we are getting. And we're getting the rank 4 3 1 2 1 is given. Now you can see that the rank 1 and 1, which is given to score 4, you can see the maximum number is given rank 4. So both of these are given rank 4. Rank 1, sorry. Right, so here you can see in the example the maximum number is given the rank 1 as well. Alright, so we just need to delete this column, and then we need to sort the data as per the scores. So that's what we need to do, and let's create the output as result. It is a data frame. Let's add a df here, and let's just copy this and paste it because that is what I want in the output. Now we need to drop a column, so scores dot drop, and we need to drop the id, and the axis here is 1. So if I just run this, I have not sorted it, but I will get the 2 columns in the output, and you can see that I'm getting 2 columns, although there is a difference that the output is not entirely correct. So what we need to do is we need to arrange it in the descending order. This is the output and this is the expected output. Alright, so sorting is needed here. So just add sort values, sort underscore values, and by we need to add is score, and once again ascending equals false. Now let's check it, and here we go. So we got the correct output, just sorting was needed, and the output is here. Let's submit it and see if we pass all the test cases. Brilliant. So you can see that we simply solved this problem using the dense rank method. I have explained the dense rank method as well here with the all the examples of the rank that are here, and I hope you understand the problem. So that's all in this video. I'll see you in the next one.